Hey you all lovely people, welcome to my channel and watch this video till the end. Do subscribe to my channel. Nouns, what are nouns? What are naming words? Nouns, names, name of a place, person, animal or thing. Oh, so nouns are anything which we see in our society, locality, any person, any place, anything or any animal, bird are a part of noun. So what are proper nouns? Nouns are of many types. I will be discussing this. Do subscribe to my channel. I'll be discussing this in details. So proper noun means particular noun. So here in this video we are going to discuss about proper nouns. What are proper nouns or particular nouns? So you will be clear with the concept of proper nouns in this video. Do subscribe to my channel for more grammar concepts. So this is the question time. Why do we think we capitalize someone name? Capitalize means start someone names with the capital letter. If we write my name Rashi, we will start it with the capital letter. So why do you think that we should capitalize someone's name? So proper noun is a name of a specific or a particular person, place or thing. We always capitalize proper nouns. So this is the reason we capitalize our name. For example, Indira Gandhi is a proper noun. It is capitalized. See, I and G are in capitals because it is a name of a person. It is a name of a particular person who is Indira Gandhi. So she is a particular person. It is a name of a person. It is proper noun. So we are going to capitalize it. Means we start off the name always with the capital letters such as Rashi, Indira Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi or any other particular person. Example, Maryland is a proper noun. Maryland. Why have we capitalized Mary? Because it is the name of a place. Such as McDonald's. McDonald's is also a proper noun. So we have capitalized it. It is a name of a place. It is a proper noun. So we are going to capitalize the name of a person. Would you capitalize the name of your school? Why or why not? Please do comment below. I will be waiting for all your comments. And now, is cat a proper noun? Do let me know. Cat a proper noun? Is cat a particular or a specific cat? Why and why not? Do comment below. We have certain examples. Cat is a common noun. But if we talk about a particular cat named Timmy, so it is a proper noun because it is a specific cat and the name of the cat Timmy starts with a capital letter. A boy is a common noun, but a particular boy named Sam is always a proper noun because it is a specific boy named Sam. Alright, now, is your name a proper noun? Why or why not? Think about your name. Is it about a particular person? If yes, let me know. So, a proper noun is a noun that determines the particular thing, name of a person, organization, a place written in any sentence, anything in particular. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it with your loved ones, help them learn. More videos of types of noun, common noun, pronouns and a lot of grammar concepts are coming. So do subscribe.